Hello everyone, I am Teacher James and today we will be learning how to measure baking ingredients. But first, we will identify the measuring tools that we will be using in measuring our ingredients. First, we have the weighing scale. The weighing scale is a measuring tool used in measuring our baking ingredients by means of weight. Next, we have the measuring glass. Measuring glass is a measuring tool used in measuring liquid ingredients. Next, we have a set of measuring cups. They are used to measure dry ingredients. It comes with a 1/4 cup, a 1/2 cup, 2/3 cup, and 1 cup. And then we have measuring spoons. Measuring spoons are used to measure baking ingredients in small quantity. We have a set of 1/4 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, and 1 tablespoon. And then we have a small spatula. We will be also using a spoon. Let's start. First, we will try to measure ingredient using the weighing scale. So say for example, you will be needing a 50 grams of sugar in your recipe. So all you have to do is to scoop your sugar from your container and then pour it directly to the weighing scale. Pour your ingredient until the pointer of the weighing scale points at the number of your desired measurement. Next, we will try to measure liquid ingredients using our measuring glass. Now, when you measure your liquid ingredients using the measuring glass, all you have to do is to pour directly your liquid ingredient from the container to the measuring glass until it reaches your desired line of measurement. Say for example, you will be needing a 100 ml of liquid ingredient to your recipe. So all you have to do is to pour your liquid ingredient to the glass. Pour your ingredients until it reaches the desired line of your measurement, and then try to read it at your eye level to get the accurate measurement. Next, we will try to measure our dry ingredients using our measuring cup. Now, in measuring your dry ingredient using your measuring cup, all you have to do is to scoop your dry ingredient from your bowl and then transfer it off to your measuring cup by means of shaking until it overflows the cup, and then level it off using a spatula. So say for example, you will be needing a 1/4 cup of white sugar in your recipe. So all you have to do is to scoop your sugar from your bowl and then transfer it off to your 1/4 cup measuring cup, and then do it like this. Continue doing this until it overflows your cup. Now, when your sugar overflows your cup, use your spatula in leveling it off this way to get the accurate measurement. Next, we will try to measure small amount of ingredients using our measuring spoons. Now, in using your measuring spoons, you may directly scoop this to your container of dried ingredient and then level it off using a spatula. So say for example, you will be needing a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda for your recipe. So all you have to do is to scoop directly this 1/4 teaspoon to the container of your baking soda like this. And then level it off using a spatula to get the accurate measurement. Just like that. There you have it. Those are the ways of measuring your baking ingredients. Thank you for watching and continue learning. Shine, Tango Stars!